Hey everybody, just finished up POTA activation here at Cherry Creek State Park right outside of Denver. If you are in Denver and you need to get away from the city, highly recommend Cherry Creek State Park. Like, this is beautiful. It has all kinds of stuff. I was gonna activate over by a model airplane landing strip, but there were a ton of people over there even though it's Thursday morning. So this is what I had to do. I forgot to bring the knee board that my buddy Jason came up with, and I printed, and I even dropped a video on my channel of me putting a little mod on it that would have been perfect for this nice magnetized Pico paddle knockoff that I have. But I forgot to bring it, so this leg fell asleep. I had to switch over. Ended up getting like 20 contacts in about 29 minutes. I really can't complain about that. My off-center fed dipole that I used in my last soda worked just fine here on a POTA here in Colorado. So Lil Dude 6 Husky Bungie strap, bought at Home Depot, lashed it to there. I'm not even going to put the little loops on here to actually guide the thing out, because most of the time I just run my antennas like this, or I lean them up in a tree. Sitting here on this park bench, beautiful view. There's a body of water over there. Oh, that's blurry. Body of water over there. I'm in the not the overpass, whatever it's called. Actually, about to hear a plane here in a second. So the Denver International Airport's up there. I was getting all kinds of planes flying over. Bench donated by the Cherry Creek Women's Club. Thanks, ladies. Pretty successful POTA activation. I had a little bit of time before I had to be anywhere. Like I mentioned, traveling for work here to Colorado, right outside Denver. Rocking KH1, K6ARK 3D printed Pico paddle, the cheapest pack of bulk headphones that I could get on Amazon. The same stretchy aux cord you see in many videos. KH1 bag. I also have my, the stock whip and counterpoise that it came with it. Well, not the stock counterpoise. Never really end up using it unless I'm like on a summit in a hurry. Eberlestock Bandit backpack, as always. That's basically everything. All right, so just finished packing up. Of course, there's a plane flying overhead. So this is how small my entire kit is, right? KH1 bag, Lil Dude 6 bungee cord, of course my hydration source, never leave home without it. But everything fits really nice in this bag that I made. So it's probably about, I don't know, yay long. I know it's a horrible measurement. That's the best I got right now. Fits my KH1. Let me open it up. Right, fits KH1, headphones. I can fit my talent cell spare battery in there if I ever need it, but I don't know when I would ever activate that long. This battery would way outlast me. K6ARK Pico paddle. Stock antenna, the counterpoise is laying in there, and I still have plenty of room to spare. So I just throw everything in this little bag. I sprayed it with some of that waterproofing stuff just to give it a little bit of resistance to the dampness. Fortunately, haven't been in a situation where this bag has gotten wet. It's because it sits in the top of my, let me grab it. All right, so all my hikes I go on, I just take this and I just toss it right here in the top of this Eberlestock Bandit. Now, one complaint that I have about this bag is that this pocket doesn't open the other way, because when I lay it down to get into the front pouch, I then can't get in the top pouch, but whatever. Everything else I ram right inside, and this Lil Dude 6 is perfect size, so it just fits in right inside one of those little corner pockets in there. All right, everything packs up in this nice little bag. Could even throw a sweatshirt or something in there. Can't complain.